Hello, I'm Joel Achenbach with the Washington Post, and I'm here with Dr. David Grinspoon. He has a book coming out, Earth in Human Hands. I've got an early copy of it. It's really fascinating. It's really great to have you here, David. Thanks for joining us. We're going to talk about all kinds of cool stuff. Tell us a little bit about that mission, and specifically, because I think a lot of people think about this, should we be worried that Bennu is going to hit us, or that some other big asteroid is going to hit us in the same way that, as we all recall, I do, when the big one hit in Chicxulub 66 million years ago and wiped out the non-avian dinosaurs. So tell us, David, about this mission.
That was awful 66 million years ago. I'm still getting over it.
I'm still getting over it,
But yeah, thanks for having me on, Joel, and greetings, people of Earth. And should we be worried about it? Well, I don't know. I don't think we should be up at night fretting that an asteroid's going to hit. You know, that's something maybe a Woody Allen character would do. But we should.
You don't lose sleep over this.
No, I lose sleep over other things. I don't lose sleep over the fact that an asteroid not just might hit us, but sooner or later will hit us.
It will happen.
And it's happened before, but we've got time, and we actually know how. I think we're learning how to deal with this problem, and in fact, a big part of the motivation of this wonderful mission that launched successfully yesterday, yay, go NASA, a big part of the goal of that mission is to learn more, really, the details of what asteroids are like and how their orbits change and can be changed so that when it becomes a more pressing issue, we're ready to deal with it. There's another cool idea that now a lot of people are talking about, which is the gravity tractor.
The gravity tractor.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm in favor of the gravity tractor.
Well, yeah.
Sounds cool.
You don't even have to touch it. You know, if this is the asteroid, it's moving along, it's heading towards Earth, you put the spacecraft that's very massive near it and orbit alongside it over time, and the mass of this spacecraft pulls the asteroid slightly towards it, and it moves on and harmlessly passes by the Earth just by having pulled it with a heavy spacecraft. So I like the gravity tractor because it's a non-invasive asteroid aversion.
That's really cool.
Part of the reason I think it's worth talking about this, although as I said, I'm not losing sleep, and I don't think you should either, is that as a species, as a civilization, we need to get much better at thinking on the long term. And that's one of my sort of uber points of this book, Earth in Human Hands, is that the thing that connects
Earth in Human Hands.
The thing that connects a lot of these concerns, climate change, asteroids, long-term other things that could happen to our environment, is that a lot of these threats manifest on timescales longer than we're used to thinking about.
Right.
And we need to learn how to not just think, but act on those timescales if we are going to survive for a long time. So it's sort of developing these cognitive mechanisms as a global species. How do we look out for ourselves and see these long-term threats coming and act globally to avert them?